is for combination to oily skin. Okay, so why we know cream is much more thicker, so it will go for a skin which needs more moisture. Lotion is the desired moisturization for a skin which is oily or which is combination. Okay, what are the benefits of the protecting cream and protecting lotion? First, it has SPF 15. I'm sure now all of us know what SPF stands for. What is SPF 15? Every SPF 1 can safeguard our skin from up to 20 minutes of sun protection. So having SPF 10 itself is 3.5 hours of protection. So if you have SPF 15, it guarantees 5 hours of protection, which is sufficient. Okay, with using protecting cream or lotion, you can improve the smoothness in the skin, you can improve the radiance and clarity. All of this decreases as our skin structure weakens, and it also benefits in reducing the fine lines, wrinkles, and protects our skin from future harm. Okay, so if anybody is just starting the early aging or anti-aging process, how do you suggest them the products? The first product that if I'm not using any products, the first product that I have to include in my regime becomes my cleanser face wash and my day cream. Why? Because day cream comes with SPF. So these are the two products that we start off with. So if anybody is just starting with their early aging also, you can give them the day cream first, which is the protecting cream or protecting lotion. Okay, next comes the enriching cream and enriching lotion. Even the name suggests the protecting is why, because it's going to protect our skin. It's a day cream. Enriching is the night cream. Why enriching? Because in the night time our body is at rest, our mind is at peace. So whatever ingredients we manage to give to our skin in the night time, it works much better. It helps us much better. It gives us more results because we are using in the night time, because skin is not busy fighting the external factors. So skin can reap all the benefits of the ingredients. So it works overnight to help repair existing damage. It diminishes the look of fine lines and wrinkles while you sleep. Plus, also people who complain of dry skin or people who complain of dull skin, I suggest night cream for them, because night time is when we need moisture, because we do not give moisture, we are sleeping, our body gets very heated up and we lose a lot of moisture. So if you feel that your skin is getting dull and you're not having the lively shine on the skin, you have to start using a night cream. Okay, enriching eye cream, it's a very good eye cream. I have also used it, but we also have to understand the limitations of the eye cream. So somebody who is already somebody who already has extreme signs of aging or extreme wrinkles, wrinkles around the eye area, they cannot use eye cream. They have to use the eye serum. Okay, but for basic or early signs, if I just start noticing I have dark circles or I'm having some lines around the eye area, I can start with eye cream to diminish the fine lines and wrinkles, to also reduce the dark circles. Okay, this is a very again a very moistured cream, specifically for the delicate area which is around the eye. It is also seen 93% of women experienced a clinical reduction in visible fine lines around the eye areas, including crow's feet. So this is a visible reduction even for the crow feet area in just 2 weeks. Okay, then comes Youth Extend Serum Concentrate. So day cream, night cream, all of the products are important. Day cream is important, night cream is important. If you are starting, if you've seen that your eye area is also getting more lines, because which is common now. I can say that somebody who's 20 years or 21 years also has dark circles, also has started getting wrinkles around the eye area. It also depends on the lifestyle. We are constantly in front of a laptop or in mobile, so it affects our skin. Okay, so this particular serum concentrate has the rare and precious ingredients. So whatever ingredients that we talked about, Lysert, African baobab, or exclusive peptide, majority concentration of these ingredients is in the serum concentrate, because there is no additional moisturizing content in serum concentrate. So this particular the day cream, the night cream comes with moisture with it, but serum concentrate is a potent just a serum which will help the ingredients go deeper into the skin. So somebody who has started using the products and is also looking for much faster results, or is looking for complete benefit of the entire range, then you add the additional step of using a serum concentrate. So serum concentrate, again, it's targeted, focused for smoothing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and which will also overall improve our radiance and help give you a younger looking skin. Okay, now this was the early signs of aging. Now when we go on to advanced. So you would have noticed that when it comes to Youth Extend, I have not even mentioned any particular age criteria. Why? Because when we talk about skincare products, it does not depend on our biological age. It depends on the age of our skin as well. So somebody who is 21, but maybe they have exposed their skin enough to exposure, they have a lot of free radical damage, their skin might already be at 28 or 29 years. So if that's the case, there is no harm in using Youth Extend range of products as early as 21, 22 also. Okay, but the maximum range I generally suggest for Youth Extend is up to 28 years or up to 30 years. Up to 30 years you can use Youth Extend. That's the now prevalent time, because now if we are 30, 31, our skin is already at 35, 36. So we give them the extra dose, which is the advanced signs of aging with Youth Extend Ultra set of products. When we talk about advanced signs of aging, enriching slide. Okay. You can see this. Okay, so after the early signs of aging, the next step is the advanced signs of aging, which is Youth Extend Ultra. What are the particular issues that we see which comes with advanced aging is dry cracked fissures, redness, deep wrinkles, loss of elasticity, loss of plumpness, fragility, sagging, transparency, yellowness. So all of these are the advanced signs. So you can note these signs, because these are the signs that you have to look for and then suggest them the Ultra set of products. Okay. So the major ingredient here is red caviar concentrate. So actually I also took out a video, additional video I wanted to play with this. I'll try playing the video. If it doesn't play, then I will also share this video. Okay. Can you see the video? I can't hear.
The land of beautiful and majestic fjords is home to some of the most stunning scenery in the world. Sparkling and bracingly cold water fills the long and narrow inlets to the sea. It was in the salmon hatcheries of these pristine Norwegian fjords where the key ingredient in Artistry Youth Extend Ultra was first discovered. Despite the long exposure to cold water, hatchery workers saw that their hands became soft and smooth after sorting salmon eggs. Artistry scientists analyzed the water and discovered red caviar concentrate. After careful testing, they were able to show that this concentrate has advanced...
Okay, I think they're saying there's only audio. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. never mind. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share this video. Okay, because I'm not able to play it right now. I'll share this video on my broadcast. Okay, somebody saying getting both video and audio. Actually, the video also depends on the network that you have. So I'll do one thing. I'll share this video on my broadcast. I am also going to put down my number in the end. Who do not get messages from me can WhatsApp me on that, and I can send you this video. Okay. So what this video actually talks about is, I hope my presentation, yeah. So what this video actually talks about is from where we get the red caviar concentrate and how, why we use red caviar concentrate. So we get our red caviar concentrate from the salmon fisheries that we have. So why we use red caviar concentrate, it's a very interesting concept. So the fishermen who used to sort the salmon eggs, which we use for our omega also, they realized that though they were continuously, their hands were in water, which should actually make their hands drier, or which should actually damage their hands, they noticed that their palms and the hands are getting much more softer and very silkier. So then the scientists on this, and they found out that it's because of the red caviar concentrate, and this red caviar concentrate is found inside the salmon eggs. So between the eggshell and the egg is the very moistured red caviar concentrate. When the eggs hatch, that the red caviar concentrate is released. So we then use that red caviar concentrate. We researched about it. We studied about what are the benefits we will get from it, and then we included that in our ultra range of products. Okay. How does red caviar concentrate help us in the skin? The technology here is micro cleansing and rebuilding. Okay, so micro cleansing, we all know our skin renews itself. There is a lot of dead cell accumulation. Also, when we are exposing our skin, there is a lot of dust which gets accumulated on our skin. So when this dust keeps accumulating, at a certain point it becomes accumulated debris which is not easily removed, which cannot go easily from your skin. Okay.
బటన్స్ వేయాలి
అదే అంటున్నాను అంతే రెండు తీసుకున్నాను రెండు వాడేసాను.
You cannot see my presentation? I'm so sorry. Yeah. Can you see my presentation now? No. Yes, can you see it now? Can you see the presentation now? Yes, okay, thank you. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Thank you. Okay, so I hope you all heard the red caviar, what I told about red caviar. Then going ahead, we talk about micro cleansing and rebuilding. So micro cleansing, whatever you can see, there's a lot of dust or a lot of debris which is accumulated in our skin, which red caviar concentrate will clear, which it with the regular usage of ultra products, even the very stubborn dust or dirt which is accumulated in your skin will be removed. And once that is removed, that's when you will see a restored glowing complexion. So there's a specific point which I generally mention when it comes to aging, is that the skin turns yellow, skin turns slightly pale. That is also because of lot of small damage or small issues on the skin. Once we use ultra products and manage to clear it, our skin becomes more rosy, it becomes more glowing. Okay, the next thing that we target is rebuilding.
చిన్నది వెండిది చేంజ్ చేశాను.
Yeah, okay, the next is rebuilding. what we do is we rebuild the skin surface's microstructure. So as we see in Youth Extend, so there is not much difference. Youth Extend targets the basic science. Ultra is a combination of Youth Extend plus additional usage of red caviar, which is majorly for sagging. So not only do we reprogram the skin structure, but we also rebuild the skin's surface microstructure. So the microstructure which is on the topmost layer of the skin, it is rebuilt by making it much more strengthier, making it much more capable of taking care of the external issues. So this way we rebuild the skin surface microstructure. So when we also rebuild the surface structure of the skin, many people as they age, the major issue is that the under the skin, the fat layer is shrinking and the skin starts sagging. So what happens with this is the topmost structure of the skin starts rebuilding, which will reduce the sagging of the face, which will reduce the sagging which naturally occurs in our skin. So this will rejuvenate the firmness and the elasticity of our skin. So this is micro cleansing and rebuilding. Additional ingredients that we are using in Youth Extend Ultra apart from red caviar, so our major ingredient is the red caviar. Apart from red caviar, we have winter cherry ginseng, we have silver vine fruit extract, and also micro XX peptide, which we used in Youth Extend range. So how does these ingredients help us? Red caviar, it helps in micro cleansing and also rebuilding. Winter cherry ginseng helps in reducing the yellow tone of the skin. So we all know that ginseng helps in cleaning, complete cleaning, like good cleaning. It's a good cleaning property. So winter cherry ginseng will make our skin tone less yellow. Silver vine fruit extract helps increase the translucency and youthful radiance. So what is translucency? Translucency is the inner glow of our skin. And the translucency also means that complete transparent. So if we do not have too many marks on the skin, our skin will be more translucent. It will be more radiant and glowing. Micro XX peptide, we've already seen in Youth Extend. It helps in repairing the damaged fine lines and wrinkles. So the three products here we have is Youth Extend Ultra Lifting Cream, Ultra Lifting Essence Concentrate, and Lifting Eye Serum Concentrate. So today actually I also wanted to show all of you how to use the eye serum. I have this product particularly because I know it's not my age to use it, but I know that I constantly am using laptop, I'm too much on phone, replying to a lot of queries, so I do not sometimes get enough sleep. I'm also now due to lockdown I'm not traveling, but otherwise I travel at least 14 to 15 days in a month. So my sleep schedule is too disturbed. I have to wake up early to go to the airport or other things. So I have this Ultra Eye Serum. Just hold on 5 seconds. I will show you how we use the eye serum as well. Okay. So just tell me if you can see if it's clear. So this is the eye serum. Okay, you can put my video on so that you can see it. So this is the eye serum. It's a very simple procedure how to use this. So this is how we open it. So we can see, you can see that there is a product already there. So there is a pumping. You don't pump it, you will get wasted. Just take your fourth finger, okay, fourth finger. So you put 1 drop. So see, I'm just putting 1 drop, okay. 1 drop is more than enough, almost products, okay. And then we just mix it, and the 1 drop is shared. And then I am just going to apply it. That's it. And then I'm also, for people looking for crow feet, just when you push it, you can also pull it slightly to side, okay, so that you can reduce your fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, just
Same
a
way.
minute.
ఆయనకు మాట్లాడడానికి వస్తుంది సెమినార్.
Okay, that's it. So this is the 5-second time that you have to spend on your eye serum.
ఓకే ఓకే అని ఇలా అంటుంది. ఉందమ్మా ఉందమ్మా
Okay, so ultra lifting cream, our ultra lifting cream does not have SPF, so I generally suggest that you can use the ultra lifting cream in the night time, and in the daytime you can follow it up with Youth Extend Day Cream, or you can even use the Multi Protect lotion if you're using the ultra lifting cream in the daytime. Otherwise, in the daytime, you can just stick to Youth Extend Day Cream also. But if I have really extremely dry skin, or if I'm wanting to reduce my sagging, which is at an extreme level, then I can also use my ultra lifting cream in the daytime and in the nighttime. But in the daytime, I have to follow it up with any day cream or any SPF product. Lifting Essence Concentrate, which is the lifting serum. This is again, as we saw in Youth Extend, it's an advanced serum. This particular serum has moisture also with it, but still it has more proportion or more quantity of the red caviar concentrate, which will tightening of the skin, and which will also help in reducing your sagging at a faster level. Okay, so I have next slide put up recommendations. Okay, yes, so I have put up recommendations. So this is also for people who generally ask some questions. So when if you have to first recommend products to a person, you have to first identify major things. So first is you have to identify their age. Okay, second you have to identify their skin type. What is their skin type? Third, you have to note down the major issues that they're looking solution for. Okay, so here you can see the age is 28, skin type is combination, issues are dark circles, uneven skin tone, dull skin, and open pores. So for this particular person, you can see what are the products that I have recommended. Daily care is written, weekly care is written. In the weekly care, I have mentioned scrub and or peel. Both can be used. If they are particularly looking for pores, then we can use peel. We need not use scrub. But also, I would like to tell you, for one particular person or for different issues, we cannot have one particular set of products. Okay, we can change products depending upon what issue that they're focusing in on, or what is their major solution that they're looking for. And on the right side, I have given age 43, skin type is dry issue. They're looking at excessive dryness, sagging, eyelid droop, and pigmentation. So generally 40 plus pigmentation is more common, which comes with a scar as well. So I have added illuminating essence and spot corrector both, which will be targeted for pigmentation, followed by ultra lifting essence. Here you can see I've added ultra lifting essence because they have extreme sagging of the skin. If you want, you can even cut off ultra lifting essence. This is not that they have to use all of this, but this is the best case scenario that I have written, the best case products that they can use. Plus age 43, if their skin is really dry, I have given them renewing peel, because peel will also help in anti-aging. And once they use the peel, the skin will be much more softer. It will not feel very dry. After one session of the peel, then they can again go on to using their scrub also. So this was just an additional thing I've added. I hope this was helpful. Please give me your comments on this, because then I can add more such situations, more such recommendations, and give you like a proper recommended list as well. Okay. So I have added only these two recommendations for now. You can now we can open for questions, whatever questions you have. For oily skin, okay, what is the age, Mitesh? See, again, now you have seen this. Next time when you speak to me or when you're messaging me, when you want me to recommend products, please mention these three things as I have told, because if we do not know these three things, we cannot suggest them. Okay, you cannot tell me only the skin type. I need to know their age as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Because there might be somebody who is 40, their skin, you might say that it's oily. But if they're at 40, their skin will not be excessive oily. So then I have to give them some product which also has moisture. I cannot completely let their skin get dry out. Okay? Hi Jane, recommendation for attitude range. Sure, when I do attitude range, I will follow it up with recommendation of attitude range as well. Okay?
ఏదంటే
యాటిట్యూడ్లో చెప్పాలంటే యాటిట్యూడ్లో స్టేషన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అది చెప్తాను.
ఎప్పుడు
Thank you, Arpita. It's actually a challenge for me. I have to add something because you only then even you will I can keep you interested. Okay? 30 years above, can we use ultra range? Yes, Basha, you can use ultra depending upon what is their skin type. Ultra specifically is more for people who are suffering with excessive dry skin, which happens with as we age. Okay?
డ్రై స్కిన్
Okay,
నా డ్రై స్కిన్ ఆన్ స్కిన్
can the eye cream be used for puffiness? Eye puffiness? No. For eye puffiness, you have to use ultra eye serum.
Oily
Okay,
skin
because
అయితే
eye puffiness is
Same.
advanced sign of aging.
మీకు వస్తా
Please explain why skin tone becomes yellow, Sridevi. Okay, so it's not just with your skin, but even anything that you, anything, if you have any product or if you have anything which is 40 years old or 50 years old, will it not have a brown taint on it or will it not be dirty? That happens, which is not under our control. But if you see why is that, then some particular areas becomes much more darker when you see your elbows or when you see your knees. So all of that happens with our everyday wear and tear. So every day we move around, we keep moving around. So that affects your skin tone, and you do not have the exact. So you can even see the difference when a baby is born, when a newborn baby is there, how their skin is so even. Their skin is rosy. But as we are aging, you cannot find the skin to be rosy. You can only see celebrities. You can see Kareena Kapoor's skin very rosy. But otherwise, all other skin tones are not rosy. It becomes slightly yellowish. Okay? After peel, can we go for massage and mask? Yes. Yes. So this is a very good question. For people who have dry skin, always recommend them to use massage and mask after they go for peeling. Okay? That is very good for their skin. 47 years combination skin. So if they have combination skin at 47 years, what you can do is in the right side, what I have suggested, you can just remove the last product, which is the Youth Extend Protecting Cream or Ultra Lifting Cream. Instead of that, you can give them Youth Extend Protecting Lotion in the morning and Enriching Lotion in the night. So you will see, Lini, what I have done here is only the skin type has changed, right? So Ultra Lifting Essence, I can continue giving them because Ultra Lifting Essence will not have too much moisture, and this will take care of the sagging skin. Okay? But as a day cream and night cream, I'm giving them a product of Youth Extend lotion and day lotion and night lotion. So I am still giving a combination of both the advanced and early signs of aging to give them good products and not to make their skin excessively oily. Okay, so once beneficial for 70-year female, it will be beneficial. But obviously when she's starting to use the products at 70 years, she cannot see a lot of difference. But yes, there will be difference in her skin as well. Okay. Hi, Arpita. Do we have a patent on African baobab fruit or extract. No. African baobab is not our patented. Patent is on the exclusive micro-XX peptide that we are using. The red caviar also is not patented. Okay, but the formulas will be patented. So what exact proportion that we are using in ultra range is patented, but we have not patented the African baobab fruit or extract. Does the product's efficacy reduce when there is excessive sweating? Yes, that is common, that if you're going to sweat excessively, the efficacy of the product will reduce. So when you're excessively sweating, it is recommended to reapply the products. Please show previous slides. Which slides do you want to see? We need skin decoding session. Okay, we will do that. Okay, we will. Anyway, I was planning to do it. We will do it soon. Regime of all products. Okay, in the next session, I will make more regimes and I will share. Okay, saying it like this, you will not be able to get it. Sunita, which slide do you want to see? You're spamming me. Okay, Afnu, I'm 24 and I have oily skin, illuminating essence, eye cream, light lotion, cleanser and multi-protect. But I get sometimes small pimples on my face which turns to scars. Okay, so Afnu, if you're 24, you have oily skin and you also get pimples, I recommend you to just change your cleanser. Stop using the cleanser and you can use the Clear Active face wash. It will help in deep cleaning your oil. Okay, those pimples can be because of your oil. The rest of the products seem perfect. You don't have to change the other products. Okay. After using vitamin C, minimum requirement is to use the day cream. Okay, apart from that, whatever products that you use, you have to use. There is no changing in the products that you're using. If dark circles and 43, will ultra serum help? Yes. So Youth Extend eye cream and ultra serum both will help with dark circles. Okay, but if I'm having dark circles and I'm age 43, then I have to go for ultra serum. I cannot use eye cream. I'm sorry, I missed your question. Yes, after applying the products, you can use loose powder to control sweating. Yes. How much gap to give to apply compact or loose powder after applying all these products? So if I'm using all my products, if I've used my SPF, after my SPF, I can immediately use my loose powder, I can immediately use my foundation, there is no problem. If you're using ultra lifting cream in the morning, you have to use a product with SPF after that. Yes, Chamundi, after peel, you can use vitamin C. You should use vitamin C after peeling. First cleansing, then peeling, remove the peel, and then use vitamin C. Okay? Drooping eyes at 29 years, go for ultra eye serum, no problem. Okay? So there is another session now, so I will be stopping here. I think added, yes. So this, please take a screenshot of this. My number is here on the left side. If you want updates on the sessions, you can get in touch with me. On the right side, I have given you the numbers of all the consultants. So anybody, if you have excessive doubts, you can call them. You can tell the customer to call them, and they have a complete procedure of online consultation. So they will ask a series of questions and they will help them with the products.
Yeah.
Okay, please do take a screenshot of this. Okay, thank you so much. Hoping we'll see you again tomorrow. I think we have 2 sessions, me and Joel. We have one at 2 o'clock and we have another one at 5 as well. We will let you know the session details soon. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.
Question